little explorers! Ready to dive into a magical ocean yoga adventure? Let's go! Stand tall on your mat and take a deep breath in and out. Now imagine we're diving into the ocean. Splash! Look, a tiny fish swimming by. Let's become fish. Lie on your belly and gently lift your arms and legs up. Swim slowly. Wow, you're swimming so smoothly. Oh look, a shiny seashell. Sit down, stretch your legs wide, and reach one hand to your foot. Now switch sides. Nice stretch. Uh-oh, a big wave is coming. Stand up, reach your arms high, and gently lean side to side like ocean waves. Great! You're moving just like the sea. Look, a strong surfer balancing on the water. Stand on one leg, bend the other, and stretch your arms out. Balance like a surfer. Don't fall. Whoa, you got it. Now, let's become a little crab. Sit down, place your hands behind you, lift your body up, and walk like a crab. That looks funny. Great job! All right, explorers, the ocean is getting calm now. Sit down comfortably, close your eyes, and take a slow, deep breath in. And out. Your body feels relaxed, your mind is calm. You did amazing today. Awesome job, ocean explorers. You're getting stronger and more flexible every day. I'll see you in our next adventure. Take care.